The trade's in profit! Congratulations! Hey everyone, it's Leah here, and today I'm inviting you to jump into a day of ultra-aggressive trading. And today I'm using a strategy that's perfect for those who love fast and aggressive trading. Eyes on the screen. This is me and my audience, looking at those who haven't joined my Telegram yet to start earning in trading. They are just putting off their lives and decisions. Switching to candles. Setting my time frame to 15 seconds with a 1-minute trade expiration. And I'll be trading $1,000 per trade. I'm adding several currency pairs and selecting indicators. The first indicator is moving average and the second is RSI. For the moving average, I'll leave the period as it is but switch the style to a bright yellow. And now I'm ready to trade. Yeah, I'm searching for the good trade. Okay, I'm opening a long trade here. Why? Because we just crossed the moving average, held above it, and are heading up, as you can see. I will show you. Let's see what happens on the chart, and I'll explain the strategy as we go. It's going up. Alright, it's looking good. Really good. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. The trade's in profit. Congratulations. And that means we are moving on. Let's open another long trade. I'm just going to follow the strategy here. I'll open longs each time we hit the moving average and get our feedback from RSI. Let's watch. Where do you think you are going? Yeah, it's going up, no down, it's going up, back up there, good job, yeah, continue, no, yeah, make mommy proud, let's go up, yeah, good job, nice guys, the trade's in profit, so let's keep going without delay, let's talk more profit. Opening another long trade as we are close to the moving average. You can see it. It acts like a support level. Let's see the chart. It's going up. Yeah, everything is nice. Yes, I like it. So beautiful. It's time to relax and just watch the chart. This is getting interesting. What? Where are you going? Yes, perfect. We hit the 70 zone and close another in profit, just what we wanted. Let's keep going. And now on this pullback to the moving average, we are opening another trade. Yes, let's open and see what happens. Okay, love that sound. It's going up. Oh, so fast. I love trading. So beautiful. Yeah, it's gonna be my day. This one's a win. Okay, let's continue, guys. Whew. So lucky day. Just open a trade, so let's watch the chart. I don't know about you, but I find this process totally absorbing. Yeah, it's going up. Alright, the price is dropping, which means this trend is ending, and this will be our last trade on this currency pair. Yeah, you see it's going down, so we'll trade here until the first loss. It's going down. I don't like it. Maybe it will be a loss, but I hope. Yeah, it's going up. There it is. That's all we needed to see, so we can move on to other currency pairs and open new trades there. Opening a long trade, sticking with the same strategy. Yeah, it's going up. We just crossed the moving average, held above it, and are hitting up. On RSI, we crossed above 50 and came back to it. So everything indicates this trade will close in profit. Now let's see how it turns out. Everything is okay. Yeah, it's going up. Yes, perfect! Another trade in profit, guys! I'm I'm just not ready to stop yet. So let's open a few more trades. I'm really into this strategy and I really want to show you more on how it works. Yeah, let's search a little bit. Okay, opening 2 long trades right now. It's all according to our theory that got an uptrend and just hit the 50 level on RSI, thankfully not the 70. Yes, I'm showing you. So we can confidently open more longs here. Oh, it's going down, but I'm sure it will go up. Yes. Bam! I'm opening another trade since we've reached the moving average again. And now let's watch, wait, and wrap up our trading day afterward. Yes! Awesome! 2 trades and in profit! So beautiful! I love this day. And what about the fraud? Let's take a look. Yeah, it's gone up. Oh no, stop. Let's go up. Yes! That one's closed in profit too. Is it magic? No. It's real results from a working strategy, guys. Experienced trader, I'm comfortable using aggressive strategies. If you've got fire in your heart and a cool head, go for it. Just make sure not to use large deposit for this strategy. Stick with small amounts and you'll feel more confident in your trades. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. This was Leia and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!